Analyzing the market on Quotex is essential for making informed trading decisions, especially since Quotex primarily operates in the binary options market. Here's how to conduct effective market analysis on Quotex. Choose your asset. Begin by selecting an asset to trade, such as a currency pair, stock, or commodity. Quotex offers a range of options for both short and long-term trades. Use technical analysis, candlestick patterns. Study candlestick patterns to predict short-term price movements. Patterns like doji, hammer, and engulfing can indicate potential reversals and continuations. Indicators. Use indicators like RSI to identify overbought or oversold conditions, or moving averages to spot trends. Bollinger Bands help you identify volatility and possible price targets. Support and resistance. Identify key levels of support and resistance, where the price tends to bounce or reverse. This is crucial for setting entry and exit points. Analyze market trends. Use tools like trend lines and moving averages to spot the general direction of the market. This helps in choosing the right direction for your trade. Monitor economic news. Keep an eye on economic events, reports, or news that may affect the asset you're trading. Major economic announcements can cause significant price fluctuations. Practice risk management. Set appropriate stop loss and take profit levels to manage risk effectively. Only risk a small percentage of your account on each trade.